Assalamu alaikum everybody. Welcome to the kids kitchen. Today I'm making chocolate popsicle with milk. Everyone, now I'm doing here in the popsicle. Now let's start. But please be careful. That's fun, everybody, right? I think I should get more. Put it more. I'm done. Now it's enough. Now this one. I'm done now. Now it's time for baby. I think we should put it more. I think this one is finished. Okay, I'm done. Now I will put it in the fridge. Be careful. Put it for 12 hours in the freezer. Okay, everybody, don't forget to subscribe and share the channel. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the kids kitchen. Now my popsicle is ready. Let's check. Do you see this, everybody? Chocolate. Now I'm going to decorate this with the chocolate. Come on, let's do it. Let's pull. It's chocolatey and chocolate. I think that's enough. Now I'm not done. Assalamu alaikum everybody. Welcome to the kids kitchen. My popsicle is ready. Now I'm going to decorate my popsicle. Okay, let's do now curves. Another curves. Now I'm going to sprinkle some candies, my favorite candies. Are you having fun, guys? Now this one is done. I think close it. Now this one, my favorite green. Okay. Now this one is done. Now this popsicle is come on, let's start. Go. Enough. And that's enough. Close it. Now this one. Now this one is, are you excited, guys? I think so. You are excited. Let's get this one. That's chocolatey. This. Let's open again. Now here is the blue sprinkles, my sister's favorite. Enough. Okay, everybody, now look at my popsicles, smudgy popsicles. It's ready. So please try, share, and subscribe the channel. Goodbye. That's for me. Now.